currently getting ready. I'm gonna go ahead and head out. I have a dentist appointment today, so I have to get ready very quick because I literally have like 20 minutes until I have to get out the door. So I'm gonna speed this part up very quick, and then I'll talk to you guys in the car. Hey guys, so I'm already in my car. As you guys can see, I'm gonna head out to my dental appointment. I have my braces appointment. They are gonna tighten them. I've had my braces since last year. I actually got them right when the pandemic got really bad and they did like a shutdown. I got them in March. I don't know why I put lip gloss on when I know I have to wear the mask, but it's just a personal thing, like you feel ready. But I got them in March, and now I need lotion. I feel like I'm never ready. Now I need lotion. I mean, I got them in March, I was saying, and then everything went on lockdown, right? So everything closed, so I was stuck with my braces for 2 months like that. So I didn't go to the dentist for like 2 months, and then so it kind of sucked because 2 appointments were rescheduled, and then it pushed me back those 2 appointments, which they only told me I needed them for 12 to 15 months. So I pushed it back a little bit, but I hope by the end of this year, 2021, they removed them. So we're gonna go to the dental appointment, and I'm gonna go return some stuff at Marshall's that I bought. I'll show you guys what I got that I want to return. I want to try to go to Trader Joe's on my way back because there's a Trader Joe's by my house, and I still haven't gone since we moved in here. And then I have to take my dad his medication that I had to pick up for him just yesterday, so I'm gonna drop that off. I'm gonna go to Marshall's. I'm gonna try to go get my eyebrows done since I get them by that area. So since I'm already there, I'm gonna try to do that. And then at Marshall's, I'm gonna return these shorts. So 2 of them came in the set, and they are pretty long. They're not like your regular short shorts. They are above like the knee. I got them in a size medium because I don't like to get my tights or my workout clothes extra small or small. Even though I am more of a petite size, I don't like them to be super tight because I think that it tends to give you like a camel toe. Because when they're too tight, like tights just go up everywhere, or they're just like super weird, right? So these are very thick. I found them at Marshall's for $16 or $14.99, both of them. But I got them a size medium, and because they are high-waisted on the waist, they're very loose, and I don't like that. And here I feel like they fit all right. Everything looks good, but they look like the type of material that they will get loose, and they don't feel super tight on my body. Like I would want something tighter. So I'm gonna go get the small, but I always pick medium just to be safe, because for the most part I like how the medium size fits. But these, I mean, it makes sense. The band is too high, so on my waist it's very loose, and I don't like that, because if I put on a tight shirt, you're gonna be able to see like the wrinkling part. So I'm just gonna go ahead and exchange them today, do my eyebrows, and come back because I have to finish one of the vlogs that I was editing. It's pretty cold in LA, so I put on my little fur jacket. I like this jacket. I got it in, from Old Navy. Little jacket is from Old Navy. It looks a little bit more nude in person. It looks a little bit wide on camera. So the jacket is from Old Navy. I got it on Black Friday like 3 years ago. This was, I think, $50 on sale. But it's nice. It's really warm, and then the quality is really good. I really like it. It's kind of like a leather jacket vibe because it has the zipper here. I don't know, it's like I can't remember what kind of material this is, but it's really nice. I like it. And then my shirt is a big turtleneck. I got this one for Christmas this year, and it's funny because I was telling Miguel that I don't, oh, and the shirt's from Banana Republic. It was a gift from my mom. My mom buys us all our gifts every year. It's Banana Republic, no matter what, and the quality of the sweaters are great. So we always know we're gonna get a sweater from Banana Republic, but I love it because they last so long. But I was telling Miguel how I never purchased sweaters like these because I never gravitated to them. I was like, oh, the neck's too big, it's gonna be loose, it's not my thing. And my mom got me this. One, I love the color, it fits with a lot of things. But two, I was like, oh, something new. I am down like to try different things, at least try them on, and if they're not it, return them. But I really like this one. I feel like right now it's gonna rain soon, so it fits with the weather. It's really cute. It's a long sleeve too, so it's really nice. I have to head out. I'm just talking. I could talk for days, but I have to head out because my appointment is literally in 10 minutes. So I'm gonna head over, and then I'll see you guys after my appointment. Okay, so I just got out of the dentist. I got a new color. It's blue. I don't know if you guys can see it a lot. It's like a dark teal blue. I'm gonna get my eyebrows done. I have enough time. It was really fast. I think it only took them like 20 minutes. So I'm gonna get my eyebrows done because it's been a while. I'm already here, so I'm gonna get that over with since I like how they do them here. And then after this, we'll go return a few things to Marshall's. And I think I'm gonna get something to eat very quick, just because when you get your braces tightened, like I said, it's going to hurt for the next few hours. And she did say they put a thicker wire, so she was like, be ready for some soreness. So I'm gonna get something to eat very quick after this. Okay, I just finished my eyebrows. Let me see. Oh my god, they look so good. Oh, she just did a little bit too much tint here. Oh, like it natural, mira. I just finished my eyebrows. They are super dark. They fade though. I actually got the tint and I got them shaped, but they will fade. This only lasts like 2 weeks, so that's why they look super dark. But honestly, once you start taking off your makeup and doing all that, they fade a lot. So now I'm gonna go to Marshall's and pick up some food. Picked up some food, some Chick-fil-A. I'm gonna go home already so we can eat this. I'm gonna drop off my dad's medicine. That's down there. And then we're gonna go home finally and eat this. I'll show you guys what I got at Marshall's once I'm home. Okay, so it's been a couple of hours since the last time I vlogged. I ended up going to get my eyebrows. Like I told you guys, we got Chick-fil-A, we ate, and then we got all our work done. So it's been a lot of hours in between. I think it's been like 6-7 hours. We went to hang out with my niece and nephew, and I wanted to show you guys what I ended up getting at Marshall's. So I went to a different Marshall's because the one that I originally bought the shorts at was like on the other side of town, so I went to the closest one where I was at. They didn't have the shorts that I wanted to exchange, so I returned them and I got this sweater. I wanted to put you guys down, but I can't. So I got this sweater. It's an extra small and it's a Reebok sweater. It's like those nice tight sweaters to work out. I really like it because it cinches at the waist and they fit super tight and they're super comfortable to run. And then I found these Under Armour tights, which I really like. They have a gold detail on, or like in the bottom, the gold detail. I don't know if you guys can see it. And these are a size medium, like I was telling you guys. You can see the gold Under Armour. Really nice to kind of like glow in the dark if you go running in the dark. I hope that glows even in the morning. It's gonna look really nice. It's really small, the detail, but I got new tights since they didn't have the shorts. I got that at Marshall's, and then we went to Trader Joe's. I got this here, which is the vanilla cream bean mini cake sheet, and Miguel wanted popcorn, so we got this movie popcorn that's ready. We don't have like a microwave or anything, so we have to get popcorn that's ready. And then we picked out a wine. So I already bought all the groceries, so I didn't really have to go buy anything that we were missing. We just wanted to buy like extra stuff. So he picked this wine here, and we brought organic ketchup. We bought some kombucha. I've never tried this one. This is the pink lady apple. Let me see if you guys can see it. I swear it focuses on everything but what I wanted to focus on. So I got this one, the pink lady apple, and I also got the tropical punch. This one's really good. I've tried this one, but everybody says that the pink apple is good as well. I've seen somebody recommend this teriyaki sauce, and since Miguel really likes chicken teriyaki, I wanted to try something different and something that was good. And a lot of people said that this was the best teriyaki sauce they've ever had. So I'm gonna try this during the week. I'll let you guys know if it's good. And then I've been wanting to try this, the everything bagel seasoning. I really like bagels. I really like cream cheese. So why does it focus on everything but what I wanted to focus on? There we go. So yeah, I got this too. They sell this at Costco, like a huge bottle, but I've never tried it, so I was scared to get that at Costco. So I think this is gonna be a good size to try it out. And honestly, I hope, I mean, I don't go through this fast. If I do, I mean, I could get the big one at Costco and have the little one to fill it up. Miguel got this green juice. And the last thing that we got were these hash browns that I also seen the same girl recommend, the one that was talking about the teriyaki sauce. She was talking about these hash browns. I've actually seen them all over TikTok. Everybody says that these are like the best hash browns. We don't really eat hash browns like this in the morning, but it's nice to have them here. I've seen a girl eat these. She warms it up and then she puts avocado on top and an egg, and she makes like an avocado toast, but this is the bread instead. So I'm gonna try that out this week as well. But that's pretty much all we got from Trader Joe's.